Should we wait some minutes?
Sure, let's give it a couple more minutes. Sharing with us. So welcome, Iwan.
Start.
Johar everyone. I extend my thanks to the organizers who have provided me this platform to express my thoughts. Hi, I'm Ivan Abhamins, indigenous boy from Ranchi, India. I would like to begin with our traditional Adivasi prayer in Sadri for all the Adivasi communities of India and beyond. For we Adivasis, the Supreme God and our ancestors are our guardian. They bless us and protect us. I call upon them in my prayer for world peace. हे धर्मे, हे सिंगबोंगा, हे मारंगुरु, हे फड़ापेन, हे इबुदिबुरोम, हे नारुलाया, हे सिराबाउसी, हे याह मोगी, हे हमर पुरखा, आज करनेक दिन में हमें रोरे के बुला थी, हमें रोरे के गोरा थी, एक दो न हरियरस, एक पति खिचड़ी भात, हमर संग पी लेवा, हमर संग खाई लेवा। हे पहाड़ कर देवता, हे जंगल कर देवता, हे जल देवता, गाँव कर देवता। रौरे से गौरा थी, हमर खेत खलियान के, पशु पक्षी के, जीव जंतु के, गोटा संसार के, बढ़िया से रखबा। जोहार, जोहार, जोहार। A famous saying from indigenous community says, "You do not inherit the earth from your ancestors, you borrow it from your children." It means all the resources of the earth are not only for us, but it belongs to the generations to come. If we will finish it all, how will they survive? I am very thankful to my parents and family for keeping me connected to the village way of life. I have learned many things which are not in school books. I wonder, why is that so? I love interacting with the village elders and observe their knowledge. I feel so proud of it. Indigenous food system is one of the most sustainable one. It has huge varieties of crops in its knowledge system. We have different crop varieties for different weather situations. We have traditional dry crops that can grow with less water and in adverse situations. Example is Goda paddy. Even during strong winds and harsh conditions, they were unharmed during cyclones. In traditional indigenous farming, we do not have to buy seeds again and again. We preserve it in our houses. I feel this makes my community self-dependent. Elders of our village would speak about the medicinal values of our food system. This tells us about our rich and healthy diet. Example, बेंग साग, मुनगा साग, महुआ, मुचिया, चेत साग, फुटकर, etc. We need to protect and promote our indigenous food system. As an indigenous child, I feel we should keep ourselves connected to the village and our tribal knowledge system. In coming year, it is us who will make the highest technology. We can use this technology to preserve, promote and sustain our indigenous food system. We will keep Mother Earth happy and beautiful. I appreciate the inclusion of Voice of Indigenous Youth United Nations Food Summit and FAO 2021. Few years ago, I was at United Nations Geneva with my parents. I recall the tagline, "No one leaving behind." Now, I understand it. I am really looking forward to take a lead on this movement in near future for our indigenous food system. I thank the platform and Mr. Anish and Ms. Moon. Thank you for your kind attention. Johar and good evening. Achule, achule, achule.